Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by signing in and opening the Characters tab. This places you right where deletion controls live. Once you've selected the character, make sure you're the owner or have editing rights. Deleting requires ownership. Then open the character's detail view so the management menu is visible. If details don't show, refresh the page and try again. This step prepares the interface for the next actions. It reduces errors and prevents accidental deletion of the wrong profile. Once the detail view is open, click the three-dot menu or settings to reveal delete options. Choose delete or remove and pause to read the warning so you understand what's permanent. Often you'll be asked to type the character name or click a confirm button. Do that exactly to prevent misconfirmation. After confirmation, the system processes removal. This can be instant or take a moment. Make sure to save any content you need before confirming, because deletion is usually irreversible. After confirming deletion, check the characters list to ensure it's gone. That verifies success. If the character still appears, clear your browser cache, log out and back in, or try a different browser or device. Sometimes the UI is stuck. If the problem persists, take screenshots and contact character. AI support with the character name and proof. They can resolve backend issues. Remember, always export or copy any important content before deleting, because recovery is often not possible.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.